Hi, I am Shubham Jain with my colleague Pratna Roy from MET University Rajasthan. Here we are going to demonstrate our major project titled as Smart Driver Safety and Car Security System
with assistant.
based on IoT and ML. In this project we use assistant to guide or warn the driver. So here the components that we are used in our project is Raspberry Pi 3B Plus model, Raspberry Pi camera, USB to TTL converter which connect fingerprint sensor to the RPi, 9-volt battery, bipolar stepper motor, a vibrating motor, a 12-volt DC motor, GPS module with antenna, buzzer, two L293D motor driver IC, MCP 3008 ADC, MPU 6050 accelerometer plus gyrometer, pulse sensor, and jumper wires. So let's understand this project with this flow diagram. The RPI camera activates and a face recognition system activates. In this we have two conditions: if face is recognized and if face is not recognized. If face is not recognized, then telegram message will be sent to the owner of the car that your car is in wrong hand and the program will terminate. But if face is recognized successfully, then fingerprint authentication system will activate. In this we have another two cases: if fingerprint did not match and if fingerprint match. Now if fingerprint did not match, then assistant will give warning and the person will start again with the face recognition. Now if fingerprint matches successfully, then the car will start using stepper motor. Now after car will start, then the two system will activates. The first is drowsiness detection system and other is accident alert system. Now in drowsiness detection system we have two alerts and one warning. If driver feels drowsy, then first buzzer will ring. In second case, a vibrating motor on the steering of the car will vibrate, and on third drowsy condition the assistant will give warning. And on the last fourth drowsy condition the braking system will activates, and with DC motor the brakes will applied very slowly and a telegram message will send to the relatives of the driver. Now in between these alerts and drowsy condition, if accident happens, then according to the accelerometer reading, the GPS location of the accident place with heart rate of the driver will be sent to the relatives. Let's understand step by step that how this project will work. On the right hand side you can see code is written and on the left hand side the code is running.
Welcome to the Smart Driver Safety and Car Security System with Assistant based on EOT and ML. Keep your face aligned in front of the camera.
Now I am going to take a unknown face in front of the camera and you can see it is detected as unknown. Now assistant will warn the person
This is not your car, get out from here.
and you can see alert message is transferred to the owner of the car.
As you can see, the code is running and the RPI camera starts with a red LED now. We bring a face which is already stored in the dataset and you can see it is detected as success. Now the assistant will guide the driver.
Hi, how are you? Give a biometric test to start your car.
As you can see, the fingerprint sensor will get activated. Now, after the fingerprint sensor activates, the owner of the car puts his or her finger on it to start the car. Here we take the biometric test 4 times if it fails by mistake. But if all the 4 tests fails, then the assistant will guide accordingly.
Now I'm going to put my finger on it and let's see what assistant says.
Fingerprint not recognized, do not worry. Try again.
I'm going to put again.
Fingerprint not recognized, do not worry. Try again.
Again.
Fingerprint not recognized. Do not worry. Try again.
And this is the last chance.
Car will not start. Try again with face recognition.
When fingerprint matches successfully, then assistant says,
Your car is started.
and simultaneously
Drowsiness detection system and accident alert system activated.
the car will start using stepper motor. In this case, we consider driver is in drowsy condition. Now we are going to show you first drowsy condition where buzzer will ring. On second drowsy condition, vibrating motor which is placed at the steering of the car will vibrate. On third drowsy condition, assistant will warn the driver.
If you will not wake up, then automatic brakes will be applied.
Fourth drowsy condition, automatic brakes will be applied through DC motor. And simultaneously, alert message will get transferred to the relatives.
If in case accident happens at any time, then it will be detected using MPU 6050, that is accelerometer and gyrometer. As you can see in video, when I move MPU 6050 from its position, and on the output screen you can see GPS module giving data of the position including latitude and longitude of the place of accident. You can also see an alert message is being transferred to the relative. First message is accident takes place. Latitude and longitude of the accident place will be sending. In the second message, latitude will be sent. In the third message, longitude will be sent. And on the fourth message, information of the pulse will be sent. That is, pulse is found in driver or not. As you can see, I am not holding the pulse sensor. That means there is no pulse. And on mobile screen message is coming that pulse is not found in driver. If the message that pulse is not found in driver comes 3 times, then program will terminate. If I hold the pulse sensor in my finger, then message will be sent as person is still alive to the relatives. So this way life of car's driver can be cured easily with location of accident's place and his or her pulse rate.